This submarine represents the most advanced engineering on Earth.
Make sure the final specs match the update we got yesterday.
They do. I just need your signature here.
All right, listen up. Things are crazy in here today, but we've got a submarine to build. Stay close, and let's get started. Slow down on the left side. Keep it coming straight, easy now. Steady, steady. All right, bring it down slowly.
Pressure stable at 5,000 psi.
Confirmed.
Logging the data.
Shut the crane down.
Kill the power! Move back! Move back!
Position locked. We are clear for docking.
Clamps engaged. Nice work, team.
Check these oxygen systems against the order.
Confirmed. Scanning the housings now.
Lift from the left side first. Watch the alignment. Got it. Clear on this end? Check this section right here. The welding seems a bit off.
I see it. Let me check the gauge. Looks good now. The surface texture is flawless. Approved for the next stage.
Steady now, bring it down slow. Okay.
Watch the alignment on your side. Okay, lower.
It's set, clear to release tension.
Hold the line, starboard side. Easy now.
Coming down slow, watch the alignment.
Lift from the left side first. Watch the alignment. Got it. Clear on this end. Torque on clamp 4 is stabilizing.
Reading green across the board. System locked.
Hold the rotation. Bring her down slow, we are lined up.
Roger that. Seated.
Lower it slowly, watch the alignment on the port side. Steady, steady. It's almost there.
Does that look level to you? Yep, dead on. Let's secure the other side.
Check the alignment on joint 7.
Roger that. We need to ensure the sensor array is fully calibrated before the final installation.
Align the tubes.
Engaging hydraulics. Locked in place.
Lower by 5 centimeters. Hold stabilization on the starboard side. We have contact.
Get back, it's gonna blow!
I got the extinguisher. Move!
Activate suppression. Clear the compartment.
All clear. Normalize ventilation.
That's the infrared array secured. Coordinates verified. Hand me the magnetic sensor. And pressure sensor is reading nominal. Good, let's move forward.
Align it with the laser guide.
Okay, securing this bracket now. Pull the orange cable through next. The alignment on the ESM array is slightly off.
Okay, I see it. Have the crane adjust the angle slightly.
The temperature gauge is spiking again. Look at the pressure differential.
I see it. Rerouting the data stream now.
The Arch just flagged sector Gamma 12.
Confirmed. Minor pressure leak detected at the coupling.
Cycle test initiated. Flow rate looks good on the sensor array.
Seal is holding pressure. Approved.
The temperature gauge is spiking again. Look at the pressure differential.
I see it. Rerouting the data stream now.
Checklist complete for this quadrant.
Confirmed. The fittings are all green.
The primary transducer array is online. Let's initiate the diagnostic sweep.
Wait, cross-reference the auxiliary input. That spike looks irregular.
Unit is fully secured and aligned, ma'am.
Calibration check complete. All parameters nominal.
Run the level 3 diagnostic on the navigation array.
Running it now, Commander. All green on the schematics.
Verified. Proceed to the auxiliary controls checkpoint.
Yes. Woohoo! We are fully operational.